are unloading the safes for our torture test. So as you know, in the past, we've always put dynamite on the outside to try to blow the doors open. But today, we're putting some on the inside. And who's going to be our snipers?
We can get an accurate calculation by using this, so everything is going to be equal.
If you'll take a look and notice the difference. Look at this. Here's the fat boy that held strong. A little bit of polysol coming out, but that's about the extent of it. Look at that. Even the body held true. With our roll form technology, two-piece system, it is a much stronger body. There's the competitor safe on the right and Liberty's on the left. Here we go. Whoa! Wow. Oh! Oh! Oh, man! The dealers are heading on down to take a look at the safes. Man, the door is clear over here. The bolts are missing. No wonder why this thing blew apart. They welded it and then they ground off everything on the outside, and that's why it didn't hold. Just check out this fat boy Junior. Look at that. Still smoking, but look at that. It held strong. Wow. Nice job, Liberty.
I think it showed what you was looking for, the difference in how these safes are built. Everything was equal.